Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I am showing you how to cook a cheesy macaroni and cheese courtesy of my niece. We are both in this together, so stick around till the end of this video. You won't want to miss it, okay? So here we have the macaroni boiling with a little salt, and we're not going to cook it too long, alright? After which we drain the water off, add a little milk, and then we are going to be adding the different types of cheese because we want it to be cheesy, alright? So before we do that, we kind of season up the macaroni to your taste with their special seasoning. Whatever season you like, you can go ahead and season up your macaroni for that sumptuous taste, alright? Then stir this together so that the seasons can distribute evenly. Yes, after this now we are going to be adding our cheese. So guys, if you think when you're adding the cheese it's too want a little more liquid, you can add more milk, alright? So here goes the cheese. We have different types of cheese. You can choose whichever cheese you want. Will be jack cheese, all right, and then we're gonna stir this together to get the cheese melted. All right, stirring this together now. Look at that guys, cheese melting away. All right, yes, so we don't use the pocket cheese in the pockets. We use fresh cheese. All right, look at how cheesy that is. Very cheesy. So it's a little bit too thick, so we're adding a little more milk for it to get juicy. Alright, so based on your taste you can add your milk accordingly, your liquid. Yes, so stir that again, and then basically that's it. We're gonna add some protein, which is some sachets that was cooked and finely chopped. Add it to it, stir it a bit. Look at it. That's a meal by itself, guys. Ooh, yummy. Yes. So cheesy. Look at it. Yes. So if at this time you feel like you want to add another topping of seasoning, you can go ahead and do it based on your taste. Whatever you like, go ahead and add it. And then mix this together. Put this together again, stir it together. And basically that's it, guys. That's it. Cheesy macaroni and cheese. Yes, that's it, guys. All done, guys. Yeah, all done. Look how beautiful it looks delicious. Yummy. Can't wait to eat this. Look at it. Look how cheesy it is, guys. Yummy. Yummy. Yes. So that's it for today, guys. Our cheesy macaroni and cheese. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to leave me a comment of tell me what you think about this mac and cheese. Alright, so until next time, see you in my next video. Bye.